people, so today we're in that town again. We had an episode of Finish the Lyrics or Get Punished. So what's up, man?
Popular demand.
We are back in the street.
With another banger.
How that?
Happy.
What's up?
Today we play Finish the Lyrics or Get Punished. So watch out now. Yeah, man, so you don't know anything going on.
I'm Valiant here, you
brother. Support your man. Watch out now. The song we are using is Man, I live like Rasta. Man, I live like Rasta.
Go on. Man, I live like Rasta.
No beef, no pass.
Yeah.
Ear force dog, snap that. Girl, don't need fire. I'm looking at my Gucci.
Is that?
What kind of mood this?
Uptown girl drink some smoothie.
Oh, me a dog, me no Cupid.
Hey.
Get the cup, make we get Alicia.
Booze.
Chain bust down. What a girl full of vibes with her tongue.
Hey.
And that's it for you?
I think you say,
I don't know.
oh, that a steer for me.
Is that?
Cologne saying stinky dear for me.
What?
I pan a pose with broke Barbie. Still a bangy line or a choppy line with enough charges. Come on, I live like
Watch out now, give us something more.
Anything.
Give us something more.
Anything.
Look at that big boat.
Really blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Alia.
one judge, you know. Alright, watch out now.
You done? Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Image boss.
Image Boss. Alright, so watch out now.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Baba Girl 21.
Baba girl.
Yeah, Baba.
Yeah.
I lie.
See you in the talk. Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Baba, you know.
Everybody know.
that?
Yeah, I like
So watch out now, we are playing Finish the Lyrics.
I get punished. And today we are use Valiant. Yeah, people, so today we're there with
one Joe, you know.
Joe what? Joe skits. Really, you know. So today we are play Finish the Lyrics, I get punished. And today we are use Valiant Rasta.
No, you're not getting money, man. You're rich, you know.
Punished.
Like the cool kid.
Yeah.
I live like Rasta.
Yeah, clocks, yeah,
I
flags.
live like Rasta.
Oh, no beef, no pasta.
Yeah.
Ear force white dog, snap that.
Is that?
Them gal don't need Viagra. Look how me looking at my Gucci. What kind of food this? Drink some smoothie.
Continue.
Come let me give Aisha more rum. Chain bust down.
Yeah.
Not me never drunk. Send on my food out.
What kind of food?
No, punishment, Mr. Man. We don't have the money, you know.
But me not sing majority of it.
Hey, but I didn't
My
get
side
to
already.
get a thanks for participating. Oh, instead of giving punishment?
Majority of it, dog.
Yeah, but I give
Alright.
congratulations.
You never get no soup, you know?
So, you not want tea food?
Ask on it.
So,
Accent it, no, man.
So you grab it on camera, dog. Don't rate me, dog.
Like a robbery in front of
give
you.
Aisha more rum. Chain bust down.
Yeah.
Nice, dog.
Me never yet drunk.
Yeah. On to the next. On to the next.
Yeah, we'll find it.
So I'm tea food.
No.
Sing majority of it, you know. I'm going to boom up this in your
Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Ear force white. Them gal. Watch out now, people. On to the next. You know the use, man. You see?
Today we are playing Finish the Lyrics.
I get punished. So watch out now.
The sound we use
We are
is-
using Valiant today. Rasta.
Man, I live like Rasta.
No gravy, no pasta.
Hey!
Alright, continue.
Go on.
I don't know the song.
Man, I live like Rasta. Alright. No gravy, no pasta. Yeah. Air Force. Alright, punishment. Hold it down. Yo, zoom in on the camera. Hold your hand, Berchin. Hold your hand. Ready.
Oh, okay, I push me.
No, yes, I get a little touch, man. I know you love touch, you know.
Been touched before?
Yeah, that. Watch out, people. On to the next.
Baba girl 21, come get an haircut, come get an eyebrow tattoo, come get an eyebrow tinted. Wanna get plaza at Classic Barbershop.
How much for your cut?
Today we are play finish the lyrics and get punished. But the song we are use is Valiant Rasta. Some man I live like Rasta.
No beef, no pasta. Air Force white like, we never know no more of that.
Oh, somebody, Valiant, yo, come here.
We just book a ticket to go Panama. The crown go fast when my Tanaba.
I get punished, and the song we are use is Valiant.
Man, I live like Rasta.
Rasta.
So what you know? Go on, go on.
Like Rasta.
Man, I live like Rasta. Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Hey. Air Force white dogs. Them gal don't need Viagra. Right. Look how me looking at me Gucci. Alright. And what kind of...
Ready now? Man, I live like Rasta.
No beef, no pasta.
Air Force was not stop shot. Them girl don't need Viagra. Look how I'm looking at my Gucci.
I'm a kind of mood this.
Get your last, man. Anyways, your last. But still, you do it.
But my choice still, did me?
Look like him have to go get punished, you know. No, for real. What's on? Kemar, more get punished, you know. Kind of.
One of them, man. Rock him one of them, man.
I mean, man, zoom up in that camera, man. So make a move.
So suppose we want
What's on?
lock here from start scratch. Real? Much you charge? How long it be? How far you go? Long in your back?
What's going on in here?
Everything one time, like
how much locks you have? So you know how much locks you have in there? You know how much locks you have in there? No, me know how much.
You know how much locks you have?
Yeah, me know how much. But
you don't even know. Move man, bob out. Watch out. On to the next.
Freestyle. Finish your lyrics. Is. I live like Rasta. See, it's a serious there. Serious there. So yeah, people. So today what they are with?
Jada.
So today we are playing finish your lyrics or get punished. You see locks? No, I'm not talking money, isn't it? A girl, you know, we don't do that to the people them. So
Man, I live like Rasta.
No beef, no pasta.
Yeah.
Air Force white, that's not that. Them girl don't need Viagra.
Yeah.
Look how me looking at my Gucci.
Yeah.
What kind of mood is?
Yeah.
Done this.
Done
this.
There you go. Uptown girl. What is it? Mood. Oh man, what's on no? I'm watching your face. Have style, it. So watching big up yourself. Thanks for participating. Watching the people. You know what I'm singing? Give me one next Valiant. Let me sing. How come sing go?
Secret meds if can't tell you one jelly. Got fat like cousin, sweet like bell. 16 to heavy affairs if I'm best and JV7. Brand new burn your face, my test gas 20 chef and 2 me I said you make sure on the chef cookie with the pot left a boy and shit. People are me at the start 21 belly not talk it cause kite tip and the kite make it talk it that switch pan 9 and my darling down.
What you go there now?
6.
I hope you study your work like how you study the song, you know? Watch the people. She study his song them, but Jesus that come up. On to the next. One at a time them.
Oh, I'm done, sir?
Yeah, done. Done, son.
No, I'm not done. I'm fully bright.
Back at the class and I still have subject.
No, me there the front, to be honest. You see me coming like the back part.
To be honest.
I'm like, what the teacher say, so I can respond properly. You see me? You see, they were back in a really focus on cartoon people around that distract. I played Ludi, I played Dice. You see me? I say, and I watch girl and them good thing. That's why I have to do over the front. You see me? I guess I'm going on. You see me? At the front of the class. We own a West Side Street Style at the top of the class right now. You understand?
Business they study in a school.
No, not necessarily. You know, I'm not really study business now, but I'm just going to the business field afterwards.